Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about ADA. Now, look at this comment. Hi, any update on ADA? Yes, there are updates on ADA, thank you for commenting. Anyway, now what is happening with ADA? As you can see, I added one new line to the chart, yes. So basically we're following this sort of pattern at the moment, yes. And I've been adding this line. Now let's see what happened from before, from yesterday, basically. Yes. So yesterday we were going all the way down. I don't remember where we were yesterday. I'm not gonna. Oh, yeah. Yesterday, I think we were. Let me zoom in. Actually, okay. Yeah, yesterday, if I'm not wrong, we were down here somewhere. Yes. So I was expecting that to go, of course, higher. I think it was down here somewhere. I don't even remember. No, it was actually here. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah. So I was expecting either to find resistance here on this level, and as you can see, it actually happened because we have this red candle here, yes. But then looks like because of the high buying pressure, yes, now it's going back to normal, yes. So because of that, we actually had enough momentum to break through this level of resistance, go up, yes, and then go down back on support level, yes. So what happened is that we broke through resistance. Yes, we went up and then down, finding support on the previous um, low because this was the previous low. Yes, so everything is going quite smooth. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, but in my opinion, and this is my opinion, yes, at some point we may actually go up, yes, and find resistance here against this line. Yes, we could actually stop before that. Yeah, but in my opinion, we're going up there and we're going to find resistance there, guys. Yes. So what is going to happen? Let me show you. Yeah. So basically, as you can see, this line is not 100% accurate, but it's actually important to have this line because we can understand where we're going. Yes. So at the moment, we're following this pattern here. We know where level of support is, and we know where measure level of resistance is. Yes. So what is going to happen now is that we're going up and we're going to find resistance here. Is that a bad thing or a good thing? Now, in my opinion, it's a good thing. Why is that? Because as soon as I saw this, yes, as soon as I noticed that we got a low here, we got another low here, and now most likely we're going to have another low, yes. The first thing you notice is this, yeah. Now, this is an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Yeah, some people call it inversed head and shoulder pattern. You can call it whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. Yes. So what happens here is that we have the first low, which is the left shoulder, then the second low, which is the head, and then the third low, which is the right shoulder. Now, as you can see here, we are coming from a downtrend. Let's double check. So basically, we have our head, left shoulder, right shoulder somewhere, and we're coming from a downtrend. Yes. After that, we know that we need one and two highs. So we have our first high and here the second high. Yes. So let me actually do it for you. I think there is something like an instrument or something to make this. No. Okay. Can I do it with this? I don't think so. So, oh, we can actually do it. Yeah, more or less. Anyway, I don't like this, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I don't really like it. Okay, fuck it. Anyway, and then we're going to find hopefully support on this level. Yeah. So something like this, guys. Something like this. So as you can see, it does actually make sense. Now, what about the right shoulder? Yes, because here the right shoulder is quite accurate, and I think is quite accurate and precise. But anyway, in real life, yes, what happens is that the right shoulder can be lower than the left shoulder, can be higher. This high here Yes, can be higher, can be lower. Yes, so it doesn't really matter. Yes, as long as the right shoulder is not lower than the head, we're good. Yes, so as long as this low here is not lower than the head, we're good to go, guys. We're really good to go, and this sort of pattern is going to be enough to push us through this level of resistance. Yes, which is actually, our enemy. Yes, this is what we need to focus on. Yes, so thanks to this head and shoulder pattern, actually inverse head and shoulder pattern, we're going to break through this pattern. Yes, go up maybe to this level, who knows. Yes, then go back down, and then at some point, of course, test this level of support. Yes, which is now resistance. Yes, so we're going up, test, and then go. Yes, and hopefully all of these, because if I zoom out in the daily, yes, let me actually delete these small circles. So all of these, hopefully, is going to give us the opportunity to, to gain enough momentum and to turn completely bullish. Yes. Now, if I'm going to have a look at Bitcoin, yes, just really quickly, yeah, really quick. So as you can see, Bitcoin is actually not in a bad situation. Yes, as you can see, Bitcoin has this sort of double bottom pattern here. Yeah. So look, yeah, our first low, second low, and then up. And today I noticed another thing on Bitcoin, which I want to show you. Yes. So as you can see, no, let me actually hide everything here. So as you can see, Bitcoin is following this sort of pattern here, because uh, as you can see, I cannot draw because if I draw, everything is coming back. See, but anyway, here we touched this low once, yes, and now we're touching it again. So the good thing is that we have our higher low. Another good thing is that on Bitcoin we found support on this line. So everything is going great, yeah. So even if Bitcoin will go lower at some point, which I don't think is going to happen anytime soon, but anyway, yeah, even if Bitcoin goes a little bit lower, that's not an issue, yeah, because we still have a lot of support below us. Yes. Let's go back on ADA. So on ADA, we said that at the moment we need to wait for this right shoulder. Yes. So after we have the right shoulder, we're in, we're quite good. Yes. So if you didn't buy yet, I wouldn't suggest you to buy now, because at some point, really soon, I think everyone is going to sell. Yes, so it's going to sell. As you can see, even in the 1 hour, we can tell that the volume is a little bit lower. Sorry about that. Anyway, so as you can see, the volume is decreasing. So we're slowly slowing down. Yes. But now, most likely we're going up another, let's see, maybe not a 3-4%, we will see. Yes, but anyway, we're going to find resistance soon, and then after that we're going to have our right shoulder. Yeah, something to keep in mind is that even if we're bullish, yes, we need to take into consideration the bearish aspect of the situation. Yes, so at the moment, what is the bearish aspect of the situation? The bearish aspect of the situation is that our right shoulder could actually go lower. Yes, lower than the head. Yeah. So we know that we have measured level of support here on the 0.8, which is where the left shoulder went to. Yeah. But as I said, the right shoulder could actually go lower than that. Yes. So what I would suggest you to do, but this is not financial advice, yes, what I will do actually is that I think an entry level for us could actually be 0.8. Yes, because is this level here is the level of the left shoulder. Yes, so 0.8 is a little bit risky for two reasons. The first one is because you could actually buy, um, you know, not at the right time, basically. Yes, because as I said, the right shoulder could actually go below that. Yes, but at the same time, you could buy at the wrong time, or you couldn't actually buy because if the right shoulder is going to be higher than the left shoulder, yes, this means that you're not going to get into the market. Yes. So it means that you are not getting ADA at 0.8, yeah, only because you wanted to buy, a little bit lower. Yes. So whenever you buy, you don't have to think about your losses, but you need to think about the fact that you may not get into the market, yes, at all. Yeah. So, as I said even before, yeah, if you are not a trader or a good trader, I wouldn't suggest you to play too much with the market because it can be really dangerous. Because at the moment, yes, I would like to remind you that our primary trend is a bearish trend. Yes, so when you trade, when you buy, yeah, you are trading and buying against the market, so it's easy to do something wrong. Yeah. So guys, in my opinion, and I've said this even at $1, yes, $1, 0.8, 0.7, 1.2, yes, uh, all of these are good entry levels. Yeah, for me, they are good entry levels, definitely. Yeah, even 1.5 is good. Yeah, because if this year we're going up to $4, yes, 1.5 is actually cheap. Like, is that cheap? Yeah, it's cheap in a stupid way. Yeah, so just think about it. Yeah. So, you know, most likely we're going up a little bit more, then we're going down. And everything is going to be based on how low we are going next. Yes. So now the key is this right shoulder here. Yes. So remember, level of support is 0.8. Yes. If we're going lower than 0.8, you need to be careful. Yes. If we're going lower than the head, then we may actually have a problem. Yes. But the moment we don't need to worry about it. We're going to see red candles soon. Yes. So as soon as you see red candles, something needs to pop up in your mind. Yes. You need to be like, okay, what is happening next? We're going to have this right shoulder, yes or no? And if yes, can I get into the market now or should I wait a little bit more? Yes, so in order to understand what is going to happen, you need to base your judgments on the candles, on the volumes, yes, and of course on the pattern, but we already know the pattern, yes. So the only thing we cannot read, yes, is the volume, yes, the buying pressure, the selling pressure, yes. So we know where support level is, we know where resistance level is, we know what the pattern is. The only thing which we don't know is how low we're going and how high we're going to be in the future. Yes. So this is it, guys. Yeah. Just pay a little bit of attention to the next low, and hopefully it's going to be this right shoulder because at the moment, in my opinion, I didn't check all the altcoins or anything like that, yes, but let's say for instance Luna has got this double bottom pattern, which is beautiful. We got Bitcoin with double bottom pattern as well, yes. ADA is, I think, the only one, yeah, without a clear pattern, yeah. And if this inverse head and shoulder pattern is going to actually be a thing, yes, we can actually say that ADA is following a pattern as well, yes, a bullish pattern. So, this is what we need for ADA. So I think most likely we're going to see it, but just give it time, yeah, just give it a little bit of time because we're getting there, yeah. Anyway, another thing, yes, I would like to say that I appreciate you guys. Um, I know a lot of you are, are getting there, and it makes me happy to be helpful if I can. Anyway, thank you for watching the video, and see you tomorrow.